It's a bank holiday in England and Wales today, and rather than do what most people do, open a cold one, like the barbecue, I decided to reorganize all of my stuff that I reach for on my test bench all the time. I've kind of made it into some broad categories, stuff to test specific stuff here. So Maxduino, they're tape drives, grease weasel drives, consumables like elastic bands, RGB converters. They will connect any um, old computer pretty much to my nice test bench monitor. Um, all sorts. And this feels like total luxury. I've got all of the testers I use all the time are in these little trays, and I'm like a pig in mud. Bye.